Scottsdale homeowners are transforming their outdoor spaces with the expert touch of Paradise Hardscapes, the local leader in paver and turf design. Known for combining precision craftsmanship with durable materials, Paradise Hardscapes delivers stunning curb appeal and long-lasting value to properties across the valley. Whether it's a sleek patio, a custom driveway, or low-maintenance artificial turf, their team brings years of experience and a passion for outdoor design to every project. With Arizona's harsh climate in mind, their installations are built to handle the heat and stay beautiful year-round. It's no surprise more Scottsdale residents are turning to Paradise Hardscapes to create relaxing, functional, and visually striking outdoor environments. From concept to completion, they're redefining what it means to have a beautiful yard without the constant upkeep. For expert paver and turf installation, contact Paradise Hardscapes. Pavers and turf installers, design and construction, Phoenix AZ at 1930 East 3rd Street, Suite 8, Tempe, Arizona 85288. Call 480-680-8278. Email info@paradisepaversandturf.com or visit paradisepaversandturf.com to schedule your consultation today.